Well, welcome to the lab. Today we are going to walk through the current set that we're working on. We have a Mega Squirt 3 that we purchased from Do It Yourself Auto Tune. We got the unassembled version. We built it from scratch, and it's currently wired up to a 5.3 liter LS1 series motor. It's an LM7 variant. We're using all stock sensors, and then we have it hooked up to a laptop running Tuner Studio to interface with the Mega Squirt, and that's where we're going to be able to see all of our gauges and all of our outputs on the motor. We also have a Arduino Uno microcontroller with a Bluetooth shield, and it's wired up to control 8 relays. These relays will allow us to turn the motor on and actually start it and turn it over wirelessly via an HP touchpad. This HP touchpad here has been modded to run Android 2.3 Froyo, and I've built a custom app that talks to the Arduino over Bluetooth, and this enables us to fire the motor and control up to 8 relays wirelessly from this Android device. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the motor on, all the electronics to it, and then turn the starter over, and hopefully we'll get it fired up here. Here is the custom Android app that I wrote that will control the Arduino, and then the Arduino will subsequently control those relays. And this will allow us to wirelessly over Bluetooth start the engine and monitor it. So here's the rat rod, Arduino Uno, and the result list there. We'll select it. Now we have bank 1, 2, 3 through 8. And it's asking me for a security pin code because I set one up for this Bluetooth shield. I'm going to type in that code, which in our case is 1515. Click OK. Now the device is paired, and currently we have it wired up so that bank 1 is wired to the starter and bank 2 is wired to the Mega Squirt in the motor to give it power. So we're going to give power to bank 2, and you're going to notice on the laptop here it's going to say connected. Hear the fuel pump come on. The fuel pump is now on. We're getting signals on their engine. We're reading coolant temperature, manifold air temperature, and also 0 RPMs and 0 throttle position. So now, as I turn bank 1 on, the starter should start to crank the motor over and hopefully fire up. You ready, Wes? All right. Are you ready, Wes? Mm-hmm. What, ready?
Yep.
One more.
Go ahead.
Fire it again. We're going to hit bank 1 again. And there you go. There's a V8 being powered and controlled through a tablet.